First of all, go to the browser and write python.org and hover the download menu and click on Python 3.9.6 download for Windows. Click on save file. The file is saving. It will take a few minutes. Okay, it's saved successfully. Now go to the directory where it's downloaded. Yes, now run this exe file. Yes, this is the directory where it will be installed. Click on install now. Yes, it's installing. Yes, its setup was successful. Now just click on disable path limit and then click on close. Okay, it's installed successfully. Now go to the ideally, run this ideally. Yes, now write a command print hello world and press enter. Yes, it's printed hello world. Now let's configure ideally. Go to the option and change the font size 29. Okay, it's configured. Now I'm gonna create one more Python file. To file menu, click on new file, print hello. This is the new file. I'm gonna save it in the desktop with the name my first Python file. These are the extension py.w. Okay, file name will be first Python. Click on save. Yes, it's saved successfully in the desktop. Let's check the file in the desktop. Yes, first python.py. The extension is .py. Okay, now run module. Yes, see that it's executed and printed hello. The result is hello. Okay, now let's set up fif. Let's check the fif. In that case, go to the computer and in this PC put %ffdata %. Press enter. Yes, now click on ffdata and then open local and the programs python 39 and then open the script. Yes, these are the fif 3.9 and fif 3. So now go to the charts menu, charts bar, and write environment variable. Yes, this is the environment variable. Click on environment variable and these are the environment variable. Click on path and now I'm gonna add a new path. To get new path of the Python fif, just copy after script directory and then click on new, paste the path. Yes, now click on OK and then go to the system variable and in the system variable go to the path and click on edit and then go to the computer and put the path up to Python 39 and copy the path and here add new environment variable and then paste OK. Finally OK. The fif is set up successfully. Let's check. To check it, go to the command prompt and just write fif 3. Okay, it's set up successfully. You can see the version and every details of the fif, and it's also displaying the Python version and Python details. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial.